I'll explain some really nice AI use cases where it's really being helpful, and then that will make us understand how it's coming in to augment rather than replace, because that's really where it will help. So I was talking to someone the other day. They were building, they used all these sensors in, they actually, what they did is they rented out a whole apartment and they've set it up for, well, and the elderly would live in these apartments, and they had multiple elderly stay there. And they really started to had sensors on everything, and pots and pans and chairs, and they looked at how movement through an apartment would work. And then what they're doing with that data now is they're starting to understand, okay, if you have a certain disability or ailment, or there's something you're struggling to do with, how the home should be set up for elderly, which is a brilliant use case. But that's how we're using AI. So just think in the next 5 years, when you have that data, the queries would know how do we set this house up so it's suitable for that person. That's where it's coming in, and it's becoming really powerful. Even at SAP, we did in conjunction with one of our partners, we looked at Parkinson's disease, and we mapped how Parkinson's is helping, so the doctor could constantly see for his patients if they were on and off. And we used AI for that, so he could change their diagnosis or their treatment plans. So even at
Yeah.
SAP, we've used AI to help with manage Parkinson's disease, and in conjunction with one of our partners, we worked with a doctor to help understand how that he can manage his patients better by bringing AI in, and he could have actual results if his patients were on and off, and if they have a good or bad day, and then based on that, that data actually he had available, he could change treatment plans or just understand how his patients are doing instead of that patient waiting for the next appointment. So that's really more hands-on of how it can help. And another one where it's creating opportunity is when we're bringing AI in for tutors for kids at school, because it's really offering that personalization for every single kid, to help learn and also personalize how they learn through the use of these tools. So that's really very good use cases and benefits of how AI can be used for good in the society.